But in fact, almost every food we eat has protein. For example, quinoa has protein, lentils have protein, edamame, which is soybeans,
My
have protein,
favorite.
almonds have protein, and guess what?
Yeah.
Even broccoli has protein.
Yeah, that doesn't really register. All right, we're all prepped and ready to go. I cannot wait.
My mouth is already watering.
Yes.
I haven't even started cooking
I
yet.
know, it's delicious. And let's brighten this bad boy up a little bit with just a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon. I'm gonna
Wow, that looks
grab the
amazing.
seeds, make sure they don't get in there. And this is such a great way to brighten up any soup or stew without adding any extra salt or anything like that.
Right.
And by the way, it doesn't taste like you've added any lemon. Really, it just, as I said, brightens up the flavors.
So Karen, we've been talking about protein. So tell us, how much protein does this soup have?
So if I've done my calculations correctly, I came up with